Good morning, students. At last class, we have studied about something whole about the set, definition of the set, type of the set, operation in set like that, union of the two set and intersection of two sets. What is subset of set? All these topics we have discussed already. What is difference of two set? What is complement of two set? Now, today we will discuss number of the element in any set. Someday before I explain about cardinal number, means order of the set, and you know very well what is order of the set or cardinal number. Cardinal number means number of elements present in any set, that is called cardinal number. Like that, suppose we have a set A having elements 1, 2, 3. Since there are 3 elements in set A, this is why we can say that cardinal number of set A is 3. Similarly, now suppose we want to find number of the elements in A common B. What should be the number of the elements in A union B? What should be the number of the elements in A minus B, etc. So today we will discuss how to find out number of the elements in either A common B, A union B, A minus B, etc. So look. So let me suppose this circle is representing set A and this circle is representing set B. Then this whole area representing A union B, in which this common part represent A common B. This one is called A minus B and this one is called B minus A. These 3 sets A minus B, A common B and B minus A are disjoint sets. Okay. Now let me suppose we want to calculate number of the elements in whole this A union B. This whole set is called A union B, means A minus B union A common B union B minus A is called A union B. Now we wish to calculate number of the element in A union B, then N A union B means number of the elements in set A union B can be given by NA plus NB minus NA common B. Using this formula, we can find number of the elements present in set A union B. Okay? Now second one, suppose that if we have 3 sets, set A, set B and set C, and we wish to calculate number of the elements in A union B union C, then we can say that NA union B union C will equals to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA common B minus NB common C minus NA common C plus NA common B common C. Now we try to prove it. Okay, so look. To prove an A union B union C, firstly let me suppose B union C is set E. B union C is let set E. Then we can say that अब इसमें N A union B union C में हमने इसको set E consider कर लिया, तो now this will change into N A union E, where E is what? E is set B union C. Now we will apply formula of A union B in this, so we can, ये बन जाएगा N A plus NE minus NA common E. Okay. Now we substitute value of E equals to B union C in this formula. What we get? It will equals to NA plus N. Substitute value of E. Then it will B union C minus N A common. ठीक है. और A की वैल्यू क्या है? ये बन जाएगी B union C. Okay. Now again apply formula of A union B in this. So what we get? It will equals to NA plus NB plus NC minus NB common C minus NA common B union C. Now we apply here distributive law. ठीक है? Then it will equals to NA plus NB plus NC minus NB common C minus, now we are applying here distributive law in this, so we get A common B union C. If we apply here distributive law, then it will equals to A common B union A common C. ठीक है? This is called distributive law of A common B union C. ठीक है? This is called distributive law. Now we suppose that this is set A, and this is set B. So अब यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला क्या बन जाएगा? NA union B. अगेन यहाँ पे हम इसका फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, तो व्हाट वी गेट? NA प्लस NB प्लस NC माइनस NB कॉमन C. ठीक है? माइनस, अब we are applying here formula of NA union B, then it will equals to NA common B plus NA common C minus NA common B common C. Okay. Now it will equals to NA plus NB plus NC minus NB common C. Now open this bracket. We get minus NA common B plus will change into minus. So this will minus NA common C, and this minus will change into plus. So it will equals to plus NA common B common C. Using this formula, we can find number of the element in set NA union B union C. Okay, this is the formula. This is the derivation of NA union B union C. Similarly, if we want to calculate number of the elements in A minus B, so look, this circle is representing set A and this is representing set B. Then this portion is called, this set is called A minus B. Okay. Now if we wish to calculate number of the element in A minus B, then number of elements in A minus B will equals to number of element in set A minus number of elements in A common B. Similarly, number of elements in B minus A. This is first formula, this one is second formula. B minus A will equals to NB minus NA common B. Using this one formula, you can find the number of the elements either in A minus B or B minus A. Now, most important property, if set A and set B are disjoint set, then obviously A common B will equals to 5. ठीक है? and in this condition number of element in A union B will equals to NA plus NB. Got it? Using this formula we can find number of elements in A union B, but point to be noted here A and B both sets are disjoint set. तो यहाँ पे आज हमने क्या सीखा कि हमने डिफरेंट जो सेट्स होते हैं उनमें हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट नंबर ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स इन एनी सेट, आइदर इट मे बी ए यूनियन बी, ए कॉमन बी, ए माइनस बी और बी माइनस ए, या फिर जो भी कोई हो. तो यहाँ पे अपना जो टॉपिक है, जो चैप्टर है सेट, ये फिनिश होता है. इसके बाद कल हम जो चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे दैट इज रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन. धन्यवाद.